Good morning, everyone. It's 10:30 in my watch sharp. Let's start off. Then there are some more people expected, probably as they join in. Let them join in. Moving on. Welcome on board. Welcome to Wealthy Family. It's a great move that you guys have taken. I'm happy that you are on here and. Once again, some of you whom I have not connected, happy Independence Day to all of you. And more of it, happy financial freedom, which is more that, I'm hopeful that all of you will make a lot of money, both from here as well as from your investments, and grow much faster, much bigger from here, become more wealthier. That's the endeavor ultimately. So moving on, today we have Mr. Aditya with us. Aditya is our co-founder. Today I have requested him to do the training. Normally we have the research team who does the training on the dashboard, but then today we've asked him to take us through straight from the horse's mouth, so largely. Mr. Aditya has been an IITian, and from there he was with the Monitor Group and various other startup experiences. 6 years ago, they started the Wealthy Firm along with Prashant, another IITian, and I am. So both of them, I know for Aditya, it was largely because of his own experience, what went bad with his investment manager, that he realized that, it's a opportunity in making, that, there's a not a right amount of advisory is not there in the country and which can be bought in. And fintech definitely came a long handy way to create this particular platform. So this is where Mr. Aditya and Prashant started it off, and we've grown quite leaps and bounds from that point till date. And hopefully, yes, we will keep continue growing from here as well, along with all of you. So welcome on board once again. I would not take more longer than this. Mr. Aditya, over to you.
Thank you, Savan sir. As Savan sir said, that good morning, everyone. Welcome you all. I'm not showing my video because otherwise it takes too much bandwidth. And actually, I'm outside city today, so internet is little bit. Internet is at a premium. The bandwidth is not as much as I would have usually in Bangalore, right? But I'm so excited about this. I'm so excited to work with all of you, and not just you. I think our entire team of 40 people, which includes Saurabh, Shatabdi, Sukriti, Sana, and Savan sir, who have already been in touch with you and who will be your primary point of contact and relationship managers as we try and help you and your clients, right? So actually, if I go back, we started, as Savan sir said, we started about 4 years back, about 4 years back, and we have had our own challenges, learnings, right? But I think one thing that we have learned is that in India, people want to talk about money, right? In India, people don't like it. People want, जैसे कहते हैं ना, जब कि बात करनी मुझे किसी से अपने पैसे के बारे में, जो मेरी इनसिक्योरिटी है, whatever insecurities I might have, whatever plans I might have, right? I can't speak to a computer screen. I need a person who can look at me in the eye and tell me that this is the right thing, right? So this is, what we are essentially is, we're really enabling conversations about money, right? Like, for example, all of us today on a Sunday morning are talking about money, right? Because it's money for you as well as it's money for your clients, and it's money for us as well, right? So it's a subject which is in this world today, it's one of the most important subjects, right? So what we see our role is really that we are enabling quality conversations about money, whether it is between us and you, whether it is between, let's say, a fund manager or you, whether it is between you and your customer, right? So that's what we're really about. And as Savan said, that I really want to congratulate you on taking the first step towards freedom. Like, this is really the first step, because ultimately, some of us might be in a job on a daily basis, or some of us might be aspiring to quit the job and become an entrepreneur. I can tell you from my experience that there is no other feeling better than being an entrepreneur, right? Because because there are two freedoms that all of us aspire for, right? One is financial freedom, right? Financial freedom can come from smart investing, smart saving, earning a lot of money, or feeling lucky, right? right? So financial freedom can come from a lot of different places, but the freedom of time, which is that you own your day, you're not a dependent, or you're not slave to going and punching your time somewhere on 9 a.m. or 8:30 a.m. That's what really, like, working out a farm, like, right, today, actually this weekend I'm working out of a farm, right? So that freedom of time is what really entrepreneurship enables all of us. So I want to congratulate all of you, and I want to make this promise to you as a firm, as an individual, that we will do whatever is in our scope, is in our hands, to give you that financial freedom and freedom of time, right? Also, one thing that I want to stress upon, right, because this is something that this is close to my heart, that being an advisor or a wealth manager. So my wife is a doctor, right? And I she gets so many visiting cards, she gets so many good wishes from people that she has treated and made well again, right? So I mean, people that we are talking about, people who deal with health, doctors, they're considered god. Now, in today's world, really, there are only two subjects, right, which are the most important. First is health, and second is wealth, right? So, if a guy guy or a girl, if a person who is dealing with health is considered God, then what about the person who is dealing with wealth? If not God, at least half God, right? So, it's a really noble profession, and it's one of those professions that is not just noble but also pays exceedingly well, right? And we will see, a little bit of examples of how much can you really earn here. In terms of opportunity, as I said earlier, like, Indian middle class today is hungry for someone to tell them that, boss, what should I do with the money, right? Because people, I mean, earlier it was easy for our parents. It was easy. Bank FD would double money every 6 years. We would buy a piece of land outside for 10,000 rupees, and that will become 50 lakh rupees 20, 30 years later, right? We might buy some gold and use it for our marriages, right? So, but for our parents, it was really easy, or I would say it was different. But for us today, it is extremely difficult for today's middle class, right? Because real estate has become expensive, so it's not something that everybody can keep doing, like, one home mostly, and it's done. Gold, we are not buying so much. Bank FD, if interest rates are declining, right? So people are, middle class is today hungry for someone who can tell them that, boss, this is if you keep your money here, then this will definitely grow better than FD. Or if I look after your money on a day-to-day basis, then I can definitely help you make it grow better than FD, right? Another big question that people have today is that, like, it's become an expensive world, right? We are going towards the path of America, where healthcare is becoming expensive, where taking care of, where post-retirement life is becoming expensive, right? If something happens to me, let's say when I'm 65 and I pass away, my child probably would still be young, that he or she would need a lot of support to get to college, or to get started in a business, or get a career, right? So we're going towards a little bit like, America system, where we need someone who can foresee all of this and help us find solutions uh, to this before it gets too late, right? And most of you are already doing it, right? Most of you are already doing it in some capacity as an independent advisor already. Like, I know, for example, I see Pawan here, Pawan Jain. I've spoken to Mr. Jain before, right? And some of you might be doing it in your job currently. So you're already doing it. You're already doing, what we are speaking about here, that, helping people make better financial decisions, help them grow their money better than FD, or give them the right sort of protection plans. So you're already doing it. So why not make more money while doing the same thing, right? So this is what this opportunity is really about, that you're already doing something. So why not make more money by doing the same thing, right? And at the same time, have that financial freedom and freedom of time at your side, right? And I cannot stress this enough, that our mission is to help you build a very, as I said, a highly remunerative career, and on your own terms, right? There might be people who might want to work at it full time. There are people who let's say, especially for example, young mothers, who do it more flexibly, right? That they don't spend 10 hours a day on this. They spend maybe 2-3 hours a day, or 10 hours a week on this, and do it more flexibly. At the same time, there are younger bankers who eventually want to move out of this job, At the same time, they find some products here which they could offer to their older clients or current clients, right? Which they are not able to do it at the bank. And ultimately, their dream is to start up on their own. But right now, they are, they want to wet their feet, do some testing for next 3 to 6 months before they take that plunge, right? But this is our mission, right? That's why I think when all of you filled the form, you indicated how much are you looking at making from this initiative. The reason why we ask that is because we want to enable all of you to make that kind of whatever expectation you have. We want to be able to help fulfill that. And we are seeing different things. There are some people who are in the first month, they double their income from whatever their previous job was. Some people take 6 months, some people take 3 months, right? So we know that it's something that sometimes needs time as well, and that needs patience, right? And that's what really we are here for. That as a team, the entire team that we have, whatever we are building, whatever products we are offering for clients, everything is geared towards helping you build a highly remunerative career and earn as much as you expect, right? At least as much as you expect, if not more, right? And as I said, it's basically you can choose your own path. There is no defined path towards saying that, okay, this is how I want to build my earnings here, right? Which is the best part, which is what I love about what we're doing, right? For example, there are some people who are just focused on mutual funds, right? And their goal is to build 200 crores of AUM in 2 years, right? So imagine if someone has 200 crores of AUM, and even at 0.7%, that person will make easily 1.4 CR every year for himself, right? And then there are some people who are saying that, no, I want to do a mix of things. So for example, if I'll talk about, let's say, life insurance, we have, for you, we have choice of investment and term plans across the best of players, right? HDFC Life, Tata, and others as well. And a simple 1 lakh premium check can earn you, straight away 35,000 rupees, right? Similarly, health insurance, we have, across various different players. Another interesting product that we have, and which actually is something that is in high demand from clients, and at the same time could be something for you which makes you reasonable money, is pre-IPO securities. So these are really opportunities which are pre-IPO, where they're expected to go into IPO in 2 to 3 years. Like, for example, recently we've been doing names like Reliance Retail, HDB Financial. So a simple 1 lakh investment here can earn you, 6 to 7,000 easily, right? And of course, there are funds. So mutual funds, the great thing about mutual funds is that while immediately they might not give you money, but mutual funds is what they call as rental income, right? That you're building, the more mutual funds you sell, the more book you build, you can set yourselves up for a great passive income, right? Something like I remember my dad kept telling me always, and he still keeps telling me, that you need to have a source of money which will keep coming to you even when you're sleeping, or even when you are not, even when you're on vacation. So something like mutual funds is that source where you start doing something today, and it takes time to build, but once it's built, then it can keep giving you some monthly income, like a rental income every year, every month, actually. We have some other products as well, as I said, PMS, pension plans. So in terms of product breadth, the product breadth is pretty wide for you to help your clients, and you can, as I said, you can choose a path that you think is right for you. There is no set path. We can help you guide on a particular path, right? But after that, it's really up to you, right? And it's actually, you don't even really need too much. You need, if you're serious about making 1 lakh rupees a month from this, then all you need is 4 to 5 clients a month, right? And these 4 to 5 clients a month, if they are at least middle to upper middle class kind of clients, I'm not even talking about HNIs, then it's very easy to do a 2 lakh kind of premium every month, 1 or 2 health insurance policies, right? 1 pre-IPO sale, and maybe 3-4 mutual fund portfolios acquisition, right? Mutual fund, another beautiful thing that we have is that you can actually acquire assets that your client might have at other places, right? And if, let's say, your family also, let's say, and that assets might be here and there through different advisors, if you want to move those assets here, we can do that, right? So in short, at wealthy.in, we already know and realize that you are a hero, mean, all of you are hero for two reasons. One is that you took this step, right? Because most of the people actually don't even take that step of finding their financial freedom and freedom from time, right? And our job really is to make you a superhero, right? And we do it in two ways. One is to have a wide product breadth, which is backed by high quality research. And just after this, I'll take you through a product breadth and give you some examples of how research comes into picture when we are selecting products. And the second part, of course, is technology solutions to make life easy for you and clients, right? So that's the second thing I will do today, is to give you a very brief demo of the dashboard or the solution or the tool that you can use to do your business and manage your earnings and manage your clients. So bear with me for 30 seconds. I'm just starting another presentation, right? And Saurabh, if you can tell me, is it visible?
Yeah, it is visible.
Yeah.
Okay, great. So this is a very detailed product note, which has every month our research team does this. Every month they look at what's happening in markets. They look at what's changed, and by first week of every month, which is usually third or fourth, you will have this product note from our team, which will have all the ideas that you can work on. And some of it is repetitive, some of it are things that repeat in terms of products. But I'll very quickly explain you a little bit about the philosophy and how we do it, right? So these are market updates that we can talk about later. So all of this information will be there in this product note for you to use. One thing that you have to realize is that basically it's a very, if I look at, so like some of the best well-known tech company founders are my friends, right? Like for example, if I talk about Ola's founder, right? He's one of my juniors from college, and he has, he has obviously worked very hard and has created good amount of wealth for himself, right? So I was just telling him, all the stuff that we do, the kind of research we do, and his wealth is managed by Credit Suisse, which is a first-rate private bank, one of the most sought-after private banks across the world, Switzerland headquartered. And he basically said the kind of information that I get from you guys is pretty close to what I get from those highly paid Credit Suisse guys, right? And which is what I want to stress upon here, that that we are here to give you an edge, right? Our job is to help you, give you an edge in the market, right? Because buying a fund is really easy today, right? Buying an insurance is really easy. All of that is today online. But why is it that people will buy from you or will work with you, right? And they will do it only if your knowledge and your skill is more than what as a client I have, right? Obviously clients, first of all, they don't have time, right? So they automatically understand that, okay, I should probably work with Bikash or Bhuvneshwari or Abhishek or Pawan, right? But second step is that why do I trust you, right? Or why do I trust you that you are the right person, right? So trust may come from that they have known you in the past, or trust may come from that you did something good for them in the past, or trust may come from that you are family members, you are their family members, or you are their friends. But the final step, which is actually committing a product to you or committing an investment to you, will happen when you're able to convince them that you know what you're saying, you know what you're doing, right? And actually that's where we come in. Our job is to give you that edge, where you can get that extra bit of edge in front of your clients and in front of your family members or in front of your colleagues even, right? So I will not talk about a lot of this stuff. We will anyway share with you. I just want to touch upon a few things from this, right? So first thing I want to touch upon is how do we build portfolios and how do we select products, right? As you can see from here, that we have a wide product breadth, right? Mutual funds, PMS, unlisted stocks, bonds. There is some alternative and private equity as well. We can do will and estate planning. There's insurance, of course, right? Corporate deposits, right? Loan offerings currently we only doing in Bangalore, but everything else is available to you, right? So when I look at this, actually this is not a list which is a laundry list. Every one of the product that is on this list has gone through a rigorous research process. And one thing that we really do well is on mutual funds especially, is that we don't advise on single funds, because that's not the right way. If you look at how HNIs manage their wealth, they're not worried about one fund that they're buying, right? And which is a common mistake that happens with all of us as clients or as investors or even as advisors, that we are stuck on finding the top fund, that which is the best equity fund, which is the best mid cap fund. Actually, wealth does not get managed like that. To manage wealth, you have to do two things. One is to get your asset allocation right, which means that how you distribute money between equity, debt, gold, right? But after that, once you have had fixed your allocation, after that it's really about diversifying and creating the right kind of products, right? So for example, I'll talk about this product of ours which is called Smart Switch, right? As you would be aware that this is STP is a very common method of investing, right? But this is actually one level above STP. The way it works is that you can help client choose a final allocation in equity. Let's say they say that, okay, let's say we decide that, okay, markets are expensive right now and there is some risk also. So it doesn't make sense to put all money in one go in the markets right now, right? It's better that we take step-by-step approach. So in that case, a Smart Switch kind of product works beautifully because this is diversified, because it has got 5 debt funds and 5 equity funds, right? And on a predefined date, right, it will automatically move money from debt to equity, and it will keep doing that until it reaches the set allocation, right? For example, if you set 60% equity allocation, the switches will stop once it has reached 60%, and it will happen all automatically, right? And another beautiful part is that you can customize at any point. Like for example, you start with, let's say, 100% equity, but you realize that markets, the risk has gone up. So then you go ahead and say that, okay, I will change it to 60%, and I'll change it again back to 100% when conditions are good. So this conversation switches from selling one fund to saying that let's first figure out the right asset allocation for you, which is according to your financial goals or according to your needs or according to your risk appetite, and then fit a product into it, right? And product, for example, could be Smart Switch. Our product could be SIP portfolio. Like again, our SIP portfolios, if you look at it, they are a combination of funds, right? So if someone is looking at an SIP for 2 to 5 years and is conservative, then this is the SIP. And all of these are available on the app also, by the way. So if you get to work with a client, you can just show them this product on the app, and it takes literally 2 minutes to purchase, right? Many of these SIP portfolios or even Smart Switch, it's all available on the consumer app. And if you're sitting with your clients or anyone, you can just tell them that, why don't you do this? And it literally, as I said, it doesn't take more than 2 minutes, right? Other advantage that you have here is that for all of these portfolios, you will get detailed performance reports and presentations. For example, if I click here, it will take you to a detailed performance report of this portfolio. So again, all of this gives you an edge, right? So your conversation shifting from which is the best fund, is it Mirai Large Cap or Kotak Standard Multi Cap? It shifted from saying that no, that's not the conversation. Conversation is about what's the right equity debt allocation for you, and accordingly we'll figure out a product, right? So that's what really gives you an edge in the market. Edge cannot come from, right? And at the same time, I realized that like for example, there are times like right now, March was a great time, right? So we launched some thematic portfolios in March. One of them was a Street Smart portfolio. So this was specifically launched after the crash, and it had 3 funds. One was banking fund, one was FMCG, and one was pharma fund, right? And this is a tactical portfolio that this is for, and this is, some of these things are great for acquisition of customers, right? Because ultimately you want to acquire customers. So some of these products, like for example, Smart Switch, it is not commonly available in the market. So, Street Smart. So some of these things are different from what you would get in the market, right? So coming back, so something like Street Smart, clients have actually ended up making 35-36% in last 3 months, right? And some of those clients are now never going back because we've identified an opportunity and we pushed it to a few people, and so some of these. So again, I mean, the whole strategy being that how can we give you an edge? How can we give you something which is different from the market? How can we give you some, because ultimately you have to have more talking points, right? Like for example, if you go with I mean, like if I let's say reach out to a friend or a family, and I tell them that, oh, what are you doing about mutual fund investments? And they said, yeah, I have some SIPs going on. And then they will probably ask you, which is the best SIP fund, right? So rather than saying that, answer is not the best SIP fund. Answer then is that, okay, let me first. So if you at that time you could pitch something like, oh, by the way, why don't you do this street smart portfolio, right? It has got a banking, FMCG, pharma thing, right? And it is, it is a theme which will do well for the next 1 year also, right? So, and let's say he says no. 15 days later, you go with a smart switch product, right? So basically, you have the more talking points you have, the more chances you have of converting a client, because a client or even a family member might not do what you're saying in the first instance, right? You have to keep going back with them and go back with potentially something different that they have not either heard about, or something different that you are able to give them because of the product basket you have here, right? Similarly, global portfolio was a big thing. It has done really well, and it is in big demand, right? uh, some of these stuff, tax saving and all, of course, are there is no rocket science here, right? uh, Again, so these are again some useful things to remember. And all of this you will have that if someone is looking at a retirement kind of planning, and if he needs a 1 crore corpus, then what is the SIP amount required? So some of these tools we give you again to give you an edge, right? Similarly, a debt portfolio, right? I mean, we have, after the Franklin debacle, so actually debt is missold to a large extent, right? But debt portfolio is a great product to acquire clients, right? It might not make money for you as an advisor or to us as a company, but it's a great tool to acquire customers, because you are able to show immediate returns, right? There is, in 1 month's time, you can show that, oh, your portfolio has gone up, right? And it has gone up by more than what your FD would have given you. And one thing that we are very proud of here is that, for example, we have had no exposure to Franklin, right? That's credit there goes entirely to a research team, and it's a very experienced research team with very good pedigree, worked at institutions like Morgan Stanley, Citibank, other places. So it's a very high pedigree research team, and they are very clear that we will not take unnecessary risk in debt portfolios, and which is what which paid dividends for us. So something like a debt portfolio again is a great tool to acquire customers. It's amazing because, as I said, you can immediately show return to clients, right? GSEC again, it's a great way to acquire clients, right? So all of these things you get now. Obviously, there are some top funds as well, which but as you can see, our focus is not on single fund sales. Our focus is on giving you an edge. And an edge will not come to you by recommending the best SIP fund. An edge will come to you if you're able to offer portfolios to people and tell them that these portfolios are determined as per your asset allocation requirement. And secondly, once a portfolio is given to you, it will try and maintain the same composition. Technology will try and maintain, which is called rebalancing, right? So those are the things that give you an edge. And finally, an edge comes from sometimes also showing immediate results, right? Because there is no one formula that will work with a client, right? So with some clients, a free service will work. With some clients, constant follow-up will work. But for some clients, you may need something different, an edge, an idea, or a product, or a strategy which immediately catches their attention, right? So coming, I mean, I will not touch upon PMS. I mean, as you know, PMS requires a minimum 50 lakh rupees investment. It's a great way to create wealth for people who are slightly aggressive investors, and who, so if, for example, it's perhaps not the right product for someone who is 65-year-old and is retired and has all his retirement money, right? But for someone who's, let's say, 45 and has, let's say, 3-4 crores portfolio, for someone like that, makes a lot more sense to use PMS, uh, uh, and equity mutual fund as well, but more so PMS to generate high returns, right? Unlisted, I have already spoken about, right? And these are, again, so the unlisted again is a great way to acquire customers. I cannot stress it enough, because these are small ticket transactions, 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 5 lakh, 50,000, right? And some of this stuff clients are not getting from anywhere else, right? Super HNIs, of course, have access to all this, but clients what we have or you would have, they would not get access to some of these opportunities. And these are really exciting opportunities. Like Reliance Retail, after this Facebook investment, it could potentially become the largest retail company of India. It could become, so India's Amazon might not be Amazon. India's Amazon might be Reliance Retail, right? Or India's Alibaba might be Reliance Retail. Similarly, Hero FinCorp is a great stock to recommend because it's backed by Hero Group, Munjals, and it could become a story like Bajaj Finserv in 5-6 years, right? So these are some of the, again, it's I mean, if you are making notes, then unlisted stocks are a great way to acquire some clients. Bonds are there, right? Then there are some alternative investments, right? This I will not touch upon, right? Okay, coming to insurance. So actually, insurance, as you all know, insurance is important for two reasons, right? One is that for a client, if I'm a client, right, and if I have some money, before I think about growing my money, my first duty and your first duty as an advisor is to help people protect their money first, right? And protection comes from insurance, whether it's a term plan or whether it's in health insurance, right? So here you have opportunity to, as I said, you have opportunity to select between players, right? And you can uh, interesting thing that happens in term plan is that there is this interesting idea of limited pay. What that means is that, let's say if your client is taking a sum assured of 1 crore, and you are covering that person till he is, let's say, 65, and he has to pay for next 40 years, right? So instead of paying for next 40 years, your client can opt to pay for next 5 or 10 years. What that does is that you are covering yourself till 65, but you're only paying till 10 years. So that does two things. One is that for client it is good because since he's paying only 10 years, for 10 years he gets a discount. So if I pay for next 40 years versus I pay for only 10, I get a discount as a customer. Secondly, uh, the customer can also forget their ECS if it's, ECS for, let's say, 40 years. But if it's 5-10 years, then customers also feel, okay, it's better that I pay for 5-10 years and get done with it rather than remember to pay for next 40 years. Advantage for you is this, that the premium goes up. And if the premium goes up, then obviously your earnings grow up, right? So like, for example, a 20,000 rupees cover can be converted in 20,000 rupees premium case can be converted into a lakh rupees premium case with a limited pay option, right? So it's again a great strategy because client benefits and at the same time you benefit, right? Health, again, health, there are, a lot of different options. You can do top up, you can make new purchases, right? Then there are low cost tulips, right? But I think the interesting product, which I think is again something that we really are pushing hard on, is a product called HDFC Life Sanchay Plus. So as you know, that today everybody is afraid little bit of volatility in the markets, right? And it is, if I look at, let's say, if I was planning on retiring, right, and if I had invested 1 crore in markets, and I was planning on retiring this year, my plan would have suddenly got disturbed because my money would have lost 20-30%, and suddenly I'm stuck with that money and not can't retire neither withdraw that money, right? So I think today clients understand this idea that a portion of my savings or a portion of my portfolio should be in an investment that is guaranteed. So for example, what HDFC Life Sanchay does is that you pay me a lakh rupees every year for 10 years, next 10 years, right? And I will pay you back almost 2 times that. Right now, I think it's about 1.88 lakh rupees for the next 10 years after the first 10 years period finish. So imagine that, let's say I'm 50 years old. Okay. And I say that, okay, this sounds interesting. I'll give you guys 2 lakh rupees, right? So I give HDFC 2 lakh rupees every year for next 10 years till I'm 60. Now, when I become 61, HDFC will give me back 3.75 lakh rupees every month, every year for the next 10 years. So you know what? So that's such a great thing, right? That I'm at least guaranteed of making 35,000 rupees every month, which is guaranteed from my investment that I made several years back, right? So I did something at 50, but my life till I'm 70, 71 is sorted because I'm at least, and you can do it more. There are other options. There are some different options here as well, that you can do it till lifelong. You can do it for 25 years after the premium paying finishes, and you also get a 10x cover. But the best part about this is that the income that you get after 10 years is tax free. And if I look at its returns, it's almost 6% tax free returns, right? And if I compare, let's say, if today if I compare an FD of 5%, 5.2%, and I pay 30% tax on it, I'll end up probably making just 3.5%, right? So that 3.5% versus 6%, which is guaranteed, makes a whole lot of difference. So this is a great product, and this is a great product that all of us, that could be that could work really well for someone who is looking at generating some income, a guaranteed income after 10 years or 12 years, especially for 45 years plus kind of clientele. This is a great product. Okay, moving on. I will, yeah. So corporate deposits also we can do. As I said, Bajaj, we can do. The rates are slightly higher than the bank. Rates are slightly higher than the bank, and yeah, it's a interesting product. So yeah, from a point of view, that's all I had. And coming back to where we were, so all of these, and when I look back 6 months, when I look at 6 months back, I think, and when I look at today, our product breadth has only become better, right? And I cannot stress enough upon two things. One is that you have to stand out in front of your clients, right? And that standing out cannot happen unless you bring the same thing, because ultimately products are same. You are not, we are not going to offer something that is because products are only that many. It's insurance. An insurance company cannot give a different term plan to us versus it gives to HDFC, right? So products are same, but how you pitch that product, how you create that need, and how you make that product match the need, that makes the whole difference. For example, when one of my relationship managers from HDFC came to me, he was pitching me HDFC Sanchay Plus, but he was just focusing on the product and benefit. He did not tell me that how can this product fit into your life's plans, right? Because he was only talking about return, and for me, return, I thought, no, return is too less. So basically, it was always, I was comparing that, okay, if I do a SIP for 10 years, but when I discuss it with one of our advisors, the way they pitch me is that you have X amount of money that you need, let's say 2 lakh rupees of income that you need after 10 years. Why not guarantee 20% of that today, right? Through a simple investment. So that actually makes the entire difference on how on whether you are able to convert that client or not. Now the next thing I'm going to do is, and I will not take more than 10 minutes, is to take you very briefly through the platform and how you can use it to do your work, and I'll also get you to explore a little bit of different parts of the platform. I'll try and be brief so that you can explore it on your own, and whenever you have doubts, you can reach out to your relationship managers and they can help you close out any doubts or further train you on this, right? So I'm going to log in here. This is one of my team members login. It's Saurabh, you can see the dashboard, right?
Yeah, I can see.
Okay, good. So as you can see, this dashboard is for month of August, and this is Vishal, and he can see which all clients' birthdays are there. So today is Amitanshu Bhardwaj's birthday. I don't know if he has wished him or not, but at least system would have reminded him that today is Amitanshu's birthday and you should wish him. So some of these small things, because the more you are in touch with your clients, the better your chances of, as they say, out of sight, out of mind, right? So some of these things help you always stay in sight for your clients. right? This is very simply your, as I said, the product that we just discussed will also be available here. So if you click on this, you can you'll be directed to product deck and you can have a look at it. This dashboard also focuses on telling you that how much you had planned as earnings this month. So for example, Vishal had planned 4.44 lakhs of earnings this month, and today so far till today he has done 1.6 lakhs. So there is still a lot that he has to do, right? But he's at least at 1.62 versus 4.44. He has some new leads that he's added to the system. But if I go to where I can view my clients, I just have to click on my clients, and this is how I can see the clients that I have, right? So in this case, Vishal has a lot of clients. You might not have any clients so far because you're just starting. So the first thing that all of you should do, you should add leads from the top here, right? And it's very simple. You click on add lead, you enter some information, right? I think two things are important. Email ID, if you have, that will be great, because the entire system works on email ID, right? For mapping revenue to you. And I will explain some other features as well. But email ID, if you don't have, it's fine. But try and enter email ID. If you do, I don't know the email, then it will automatically assume some email, right? Other thing that is important is to put the phone number of the client, because email and phone number is what we use as unique to ensure that credit happens to every advisor absolutely correctly, right? That's why this information is important. And for any other information also, like for any communication or etc., also these two informations are important, and you can create a new lead from here, right? There's one more information which says source, right? So you can actually add a source here, which could be, for most of you, it will be new to Wealthy prior connect. The advantage of doing this is that you, as you go along, we'll be able to give you, we'll be like, for example, as you can see, new to Wealthy tracker, right? So what that means is that those are the leads that we gave you, right? So that is something that you need to be, if you do that, if you track this, you can always do other, but if you track this, it will be better for you to, use this data later, a month later or so, to see that what kind of clients are you getting, right? So this is a basic summary of my clients once I've added my clients, right? As you can see, it is also telling me the location from where the logins happen. So anytime your client or your consumer downloads the app or logs in, we are able to track his or her location. So that is again a useful information to see that, when was he last active. And then if he has any Wealthy investment, it will come here. I will touch upon tracker. What is this tracker? It will also show when was the client last active, which again is a useful information, because if he's not been active for very long, then you can reach out. If he's been active heavily, then it means that he has some questions or he's nervous about his money, right? So let me then now go deeper into, let's say, a client's profile and show you how it looks, right? So let's say go into this profile, engineersanjeev.mech, right? It's a client that Vishal has, right? He's from Fukushima, and he logged in using Android app version 1.2.22, and this is his email. So now currently he has nothing with Wealthy. He has no investments, he has no insurance, he has no loans, nothing with Wealthy. So he hasn't built a relationship yet, right? But what he has, what we know about him is that he has 21.82 lakhs in tracker. Now, what is tracker, right? So tracker is nothing but a free tool that we give to you and to your clients to consolidate their investments wherever they might be, right? So for example, when I have some investments which are, I have everything that I have with Wealthy, but then my wife also has an account with Wealthy. My dad also has an account with Wealthy, and it's all, I want to see everything at one place. So this is what tracker does, that basis your email and basis the PAN, it is able to pull all your mutual fund transactions, wherever you might have done it, right? And organizes it for you, both for advisor and for the client. So client can see it on the app and you can see on the dashboard. The way it works is that you can, so it can work on both sides. Client can also do it on their own through the app, or you can do it from your dashboard. So the way, again, it works basis email. So when you are adding a tracker, first you need to add the email on which the client uses to make the investments. Once you enter that email, it will trigger statement request to CAMS or Carvey, right? And after that, there are two different methods which your relationship managers will tell you. But either we can read that statement automatically from the client's inbox, or client will forward it to our ID, which is called review@wealthy.in. Once that is done, then the system will automatically sync and it will show you how much investments the client have. And the beautiful part is that you can actually do generate reports from here, right? You can click on this and I'll show you this report, right? So this particular user or client has 21.82 lakhs in mutual funds, of which it's 84% in equity, 1.2% in debt, and 14.9% in hybrid, right? You can also toggle, and these are not investments that he has made with Wealthy, by the way. These are investments that might be anywhere. It might be with his bank, it might be with his advisor, it might be direct, it might be anywhere. But this is a tool that is so powerful, because this is something, again, coming back to the edge, right? That how can you as an advisor get an edge in the market, right? So this is something that gives you an edge, because this is for free. You get client to download the app, or you do it for him, right? And him or her. And after that, client is, once the client sees this kind of data presented in this way, he definitely wants to engage with you. Because what happens sometimes is that there might be a fund missing, which happens all the time, because what happens is that I have some 10-year-old investments on which I have no email. So it suddenly creates a lot of topics to talk about and subjects to talk about. It might not yield an immediate revenue, but this is something that you can offer him to offer something which is different, right? And you don't have to do any work. It run all automated. It will then tell you, okay, what's the different categorization across different categories. It will show you some nice charts about his money. So for example, in this particular client's case, I can see that his returns are so volatile. Like 2020 Q1, he lost 20%, right? And that is because his 84% is in equity, right? So that will be my first question to him, that are you fine with this kind of movement in your money? That two places it was okay, but then suddenly it dropped, right? And at the same time, he has like 18 fund holdings, and there are some 500 rupees holdings, right? There is some 100 rupees holdings. There's some, 100 rupees holdings. So that doesn't make sense. Like, why is he doing that, right? He's making 4.21 here, right? And 4,000 rupees. Better to keep this money in the bank, right? Rather than trying to disperse it here and there. And other great part about this is that you can actually write your comments here. So you can say that too high equity, right? And you can save it. So and you can then share this with your client after doing. So this is so professional looking compared to, say that, and he can view, again, client can view this on his phone also. If you share this link and you can copy this link with him, then client can actually view it without logging from anywhere else. He can view it from anywhere. So this is something that gives you a very, and if I go to, let's say, this is just one example. Let me look at some other examples which are where you can actually see multiple family members also. Let me see if this one is there, right? So I'll generate report. I'll refresh it. It's got expired. Let me see this report. Yeah. So see, this report is even more beautiful because it has actually segregated my portfolio by different PANs and their family member names. So actually now, whatever family I am, I'm able to see my data across all my family members at one place. And as I said, client can also view this on his or her app, on mobile app, right? And again, very good conversation point, because you can say that, your 90% equity, just minus 0.67% growth. It doesn't make sense to your portfolio. So you can actually see all this also, right? That, money is growing, but it suddenly dips. So it becomes, and like, see, some advisor has already made some notes also here, right? And So like, for example, 2% allocation, worst large and mid cap fund is 5-year return. So, and our research team can help you with some of these reviews if you want, right? If you are not confident and if you want a research team to review portfolio of your clients, right, we can actually do it for you and share these reports with you, which you can use to make an impression, like, because it's all about making an impression where client is able to say, okay, I want to work with this person because he has given me something which nobody else has told me before, or I see that he comes with a better backing in terms of inputs, technology, product breadth, right? Another important part of getting transactions done, like, let me show you a wealthy customer. So for example, let's say this particular client, let's say, right? So this is a client who already has some money, right? And the advisor can see what all portfolios he or she has, what's been the performance like, right? And client also, by the way, again, I keep stressing upon this because whatever you see or you get, client also gets the same thing on the app. So it makes your life easy because clients also get something which they can do on their own. Very interesting feature that we have here is something called as payment link. So this payment link is nothing, but you can actually generate a payment link from here, right? It's this, maybe I'll look at some other client where a payment link has already been generated and show you how it works. Just give me 1 second. Let me find a client. So the reason why I'm talking about this is because these are small features. Like, there are a lot of other features as well, but I'm just taking you through some of the bigger features which will help you do things faster and better. Like, for example, this particular client, let's say, right? So as I said, the feature is payment link, where you can generate a payment link from here. You can do generate and you can send that client. Like here, he generated a payment link of 4th June for 20,50,000 rupees for Reliance Retail. So imagine, like, this particular person, advisor, client is sitting in Singapore. As you can see, his number is +65. Right? The advisor just generated a payment link for 20 lakh 50,000, and the client paid in less than 5 minutes. And with once the conversation had already, like, once the client had decided he wants to go with, after that, closing the business took 2 minutes. So that's the second part of doing business here, is that first is giving you edge in terms of products or advisory, so that you can stand out in front of your client, giving you tools as well. And the second part is that making it really easy to do business, right? Like, for example, on this, I think 10 lakh rupees trade, I think he might have made about 75,000 rupees, right? So with just a payment link, earning those 75,000 rupees, right? So that's the second part of what we help you do. Now, coming to a very important part, which actually is something that I would like you to, it's not compulsory, but this is something that can really help you if you take it, if you do it the way it is intended to, which is your monthly planner. So monthly planner is nothing but your plan, that how much business you think you can do in that month, right? And the beauty of this is that whatever you plan, let's say for Nikhil Nair, something was planned. Once the transaction happened, system automatically marked as one and credited some revenue, right? This 85 rupees is a revenue credited, right? And you can actually see what is the transaction amount that you're planning, what's the actual that has happened so far, what's the revenue that you planned, what's the actual that has happened, right? And if you have some trail revenue coming, it will automatically show in what's the trail revenue coming in from funds, right? So this is something that is really helpful, because without a plan, nobody got anywhere, right? So this monthly planner, for you, it will be empty, right? So you will have to click on create plan. You will have to choose a client from your leads, right? And then select a product. So let me just maybe add one dummy plan, right? So I can choose, let's say, a client, let's say Shalini Sharma. I can choose a product. I can choose a product which can be a mutual fund, or let's say I can choose, let's say, Sanchay, Sanchay, and I can select, is it a monthly mode, quarterly mode, whatever it is, right? So I can actually select a product, right? So this is something that I'm showing you as a dummy account, right? And you will get, your account will be empty, but you can explore it. You might have already got the login, so you can explore it, right? But I again stressing upon 3 points. One is add lead from here, right? Once you go to a client view, you can use the tracker, you can generate payment links, right? You can then generate reports from tracker. But I would say the most important part, actually, to be honest, is the monthly planner, because without planning you will not be able to see the kind of results that you want, right? And it is that's what that probably brings me to the last 2 minutes of our session, right? That what are the how do you get your first earning, right? So I've spoken so much about giving you an edge, right? About giving you something that you can offer different to your clients or customers, which could be either in terms of free tools, it could be in terms of the products that we have, or it could be also a way to pitch the same thing differently, right? Because that actually makes all the difference, that being able to pitch, like that's what a good salesman is all about, that being able to look at someone in the eye and tell them that why do they need it, and being able to create that need, right? So recapping again, I'm stressing upon it because that's something for you to remember and and take it deep within you, that we will help you give an edge. So always look for an edge. What is the edge that you can get from us, or what is the edge that you can get from the platform, right? And if you feel that you need something to get an edge, tell us, right? We will build it for you, right? But today we have few things that give you an edge. As I said, tracker is a great way to give you an edge. Different products, different ideas that we have, that is a great way to have an edge, right? But I think the biggest edge that we give you is this, that we have personally realized this, that monthly planner is the best. Like people who are making 3 lakhs with us, 4 lakhs with us, if I show you their monthly plans, they are the most diligent from day one. They were the ones who made the plans, who are very clear about the plan that they have for the month, and they would write it all down. And it's an activity that will help you figure out also that if you are targeting making a 75,000 or a lakh or a 2 lakh every month, then what is it that you need to do, right? And once you have a plan in place, actually our team can help you even better, right? So that's actually after I mean, if I drill everything down, like basically there are 2 parts to the equation. First part of the equation is that what can I offer to my clients? You can offer many things, right? And as I said, there are things that give an edge, but how do I go about it, right? How do I, what is it that I need to do to get my first client? So I think the first client, unless and until you start making a plan, trust me, you will not get anywhere, right? Second thing you need to do is that you need to call and inform people on your new initiative, right? And I know some of you might be, already in a job somewhere, so you can always work with older clients, right? There are people with us who from banks and who always wanted to start up, but for some reason they don't want to quit immediately and they want to take 3 months time to quit, right? So they start with someone with their someone in their family, but they definitely reach out to their older clients, not from the present bank, right? Because very clear about being right about that. They reach out to their older clients and tell them that I can serve you better. At bank I was not able to serve you better. I can now service you better, and I am starting this on my own, and please give me a chance to. And then it talks about what different things can you do for them here, right? uh, as I said, I mean, this again keeps coming, right? Because in life we are all in a race, and if I have to beat the guy behind me, or if I have to be the guy first to cross the finish line, then I have to have an edge, right? An edge. If you look at athletes also, or if you look at what Mahendra Singh Dhoni also did, right? uh, he got his edge from his hard work and practice and training, for sure. All of you already have that, right? But I think the main edge for him came from the way he saw things. He saw things differently on the cricket pitch, and that's what you will also need to do. You will need to show your client things differently than they currently see, right? Because we have to move away from, as I said, move away from that idea that this is the best fund for SIP, this is the best term plan, right? You have to get them to see things differently, and after that offer them a product, right? Which services their needs, right? And always focus on the edge, that what edge can I bring to the table to this client, right? Sometimes edge could be anything. Edge could be that you're my brother, right? Yeah, that's an edge. If I'm asking my brother to do something, then that's an edge. Nobody else can be his brother, right? Or nobody else can be his best friend. So if you're doing it with family, friends, then your edge comes from the relationship that you have. But if you're speaking to your older clients, then edge will come from the USP that you're able to bring, right? Whether it could be free tracking, it could be the product bread, it could be, as I said, the way you get them to understand why they need a particular product, right? So with that, I think both Prashant and I are super excited about this. And as someone introduced, both of us are professionals who are doing it, who, as I said, are passionate about two things. One is to be able to get the right kind of financial product to a client, and second thing is about helping advisors get their dues, right? Because today, I mean, not every organization is the same, but I look at some of the juniors, or if I look at some of our current team members, they came from large companies, but and they're working so hard, working so well, but they're frustrated by two things. One is that they had no freedom. Like for example, if bank wants me to get 100 crore FD in next 6 months, I have to get it, even though it might be better time to invest in equities, right? Secondly, whatever business they were bringing to the business or to the bank or the large institution, they were only getting 5-7% of that. So I know people who make 2 crores a year in revenue for the bank, but they don't make more than 10 lakh rupees a year, right? So that's the second thing we are passionate about, that helping you get the dues and helping you get to make the kind of earnings that you deserve, right? And yeah, I mean, our team is here. You all of you are in touch with Saurabh, Shatabdi, Sukriti, Sana. So all these folks, they come from again large financial institutions, and each one of them has enough experience with everything that we do and with selling. Plus, we have Savant. Savant is 20 years experience. He's a veteran of the industry, right? He has. I mean, there is so much to learn from him for all of us. The way he talks to client, the way he plans his month, right? And he has worked across different organizations, so he's also there for any support that you need, right? So we'll offer you one-on-one planning and closure support wherever you need it, right? And there will be someone dedicated to manage our relationship with you. We will also give you product ideas and content, like we do. As I said, we do every alternate day or sometimes 2 times a week, we do a master class, which is a 15 minutes training program every week. And it is not, again, not compulsory, but anybody who comes, they will definitely get something out of it to share or to work upon, right? And the biggest part of it is that it's a very transparent system of payout of earnings. You will see on your dashboard exactly how much you earned that month, and 15th of every month, basis the invoice, the amounts will be cleared, right? And our team will, once you have made your first sale, our team will be happy to guide you in the process of generating the first invoice, etc. But yeah, it's so that's our focus is really on your success, because unless and until you succeed, we cannot hope to succeed. And we have today already 100 plus advisors from different parts of the country who are whom we are proud to be associated with, and who and that's what actually keeps us going, that when we receive messages from our partners advisors that they made 2x or 3x more than what they used to make last year, right, in a particular month. That's what really keeps us going, and that's what our main mission is, that to help you, each one of you, make the right amount of money. Like everybody might have a different goal. Somebody might want to make 10 lakh rupees a year, somebody might be happy with a lakh rupees a year, but it is your choice, right? It is absolutely your choice, and that's how it should be. That's how life should be, that everything should be my choice. I should be free to decide what I want for myself, for my family, and for my day-to-day life, right? So with that, I have nothing else to add. I'm sorry that I was not in office today, and I'm at a place where there's a little bit of noise, but I hope all of you found it useful, and I welcome you again. I feel privileged, I am proud, and so is the rest of our team. And I wish you all the success and all the best to make this a successful venture for all of you.
Thank you so much, Aditya ji. It's wonderful listening to you. I'm very impressed because till date, I mean, just for you guys, generally this training used to be taken by our research desk and our tech team, and we could never could explain this simplicity and then make it so much easier and convincing enough. I think it was an awesome presentation that you did. Thanks a lot for finding time and having an interaction with us. And it's always wonderful to listen to you. Thanks a lot, Aditya ji. And thank you, all of you, for taking your time out on a Sunday morning. Almost it's been about 1 hour that we've been together. I'm greatly hopeful that all of you will have a wonderful journey from here on. Welcome on board, Wealthy, once again. From here, I'm sure you will be all busy making money from from this. I'm happy. So let's get started. It's a good note, good start, good point of the year. Great to have you on board. Anything that you have, please reach on to us. You have our contacts, you have our numbers. So most of you would have got your logins already. Uh, this particular dashboard is also what is now what you've gone through. Please explore it yourself. You will, that way, once you start using it, you will understand it much better. It will become much more convincing for you to use the way what Aditya ji was telling. And as well as the product deck is also part of the dashboard. You can access that from your dashboard as well. We will also share it across to you. So good. Good to have you, all of you. Uh,
Yes, you will get a referral link. I think there's a question. You will
Yeah.
get a referral link. Currently, it is not visible on dashboard. I think in about 3-4 days of time, you will be able to see your unique referral link. The way that referral link will work is that whoever you share that link with, if they download, create an account, or do anything on the app, whether it's tracker or whatever, they will get automatically mapped to you. So yeah, in next 3 to 4 days, you will see a referral link on your dashboard as well.
Yeah, sure. So that's yeah. So I wanted to actually ask you something that, yeah, if in case you have any more questions, please do.
Yeah.
Sudeep has got something, Aditya. Just a minute. He's saying, are we doing loans in Mumbai right now?
Yeah, we're not doing loans because of COVID situation. It's become a little bit operationally difficult. But once we do start that, we'll let you know. List of products and revenue, your team, your relationship manager will share with you. Again, as I said, when you make a plan in your dashboard, uh, yeah, so all of these edit profile also actually your relationship manager can show it to you. It's very easy. You can, there is a, on when you look at the client's name on the right hand side, there will be an edit, like a pencil icon. If you click on it, you can edit it. If you're facing any issues, then let us know. Right, we can fix it. List of products you will get separately from relationship manager in your groups, also the revenue as an indicator. But as I said, in the planner, whenever you add a product, whether it's a loan, whether it's a health insurance, life insurance, or a mutual fund, or any portfolio that we offer, you will get to see how much will you make beforehand, right? You will actually see, for example, if you do add a 10 lakh rupees mutual fund transaction in, let's say, a 100% equity portfolio, you will see how much will you make on that transaction in that month. So it's a very, that's why I request and urge all of you to use the planning tool. And yeah, as we go along, we will keep sharing snippets, because it's very difficult to cover everything on a single morning, also difficult to remember even if we cover. So we covered the I would say the bigger picture or the key features. You can we will keep sharing. You can, as I said, there must be a WhatsApp group. uh, yeah, you will get revenue. If there's a life insurance, you will get renewal every year. If it's a health insurance, also you will get renewal, right? Servicing and insurance, we understand that, and we are, that's why, we work with a few names, not everybody, because with those names we are confident that we'll be able to provide the good service that client needs. Because claim, at time of claim, it becomes important to have the right kind of service. You're absolutely right. So yeah, so I think there is a lot more. You explore yourself, and any question, any doubts, please raise to your relationship manager. They will organize one-on-one sessions if required with our team to take you through other features, right? And it's a journey, right? But I hope that all of you, all of you get, as I said, all of you are already heroes, and we hope that we can make you a superhero. Yes, we will share recordings with you. Yeah. All right. With that, Sawan sir, can I sign off now?
Yeah. Great. Once again, thank you very much, all of you.
Thanks,
As well
everyone. Yeah. Thank you, Sukriti, Shatabdi, Sana, and Saurabh.
Yeah, thank you, Aditya. Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving your time. Thank you.